Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategies. In this video, I'm going to create you the scanner. So based on the comment, one who commented about the EMA and the current closing price. So how to find out the stock, and we can create that particular scanner with how many percentage which is above from the current EMA price. So that is what the scanner. So I think the kind of scanners is not available in charting, and I'm just going to try to create that scanner. He was asking about a 200 EMA, the stock which is trading currently 5% above to the current EMA. Let me find out what is the exact thing. So the current price of this particular HAL is the stock trading around 3017 and the EMA 200. Value is around 2014. If you're comparing from those value, how much percentage it is higher, or we simply calculate some percentage above. So maybe around 5% or 10% or even a 20% something. We can calculate with the charting, so we can easily find out the stock which is trading more than 5% or 10% or 20%, whatever the percentage it is, about to the current EMA 200 closing price. This is what a 200 EMA where we are looking for. So exactly the price is 49% higher from the current closing price. That is EMA closing price. I'm talking about on a daily time frame. At almost 49 percentage we are looking at from 2020. Okay, so almost 997 points, which higher from that particular EMA and the closing price. So this is what a thing which we are going to create with the charting scanners. So normally everyone were looking for a EMA above to the level. So mostly it is giving you some wrong thing. So if you are using a default thing, so I'll try to show you that how to create a charting scanners. So normally what we are doing with this kind of closing price, and it must be greater than EME, right? So exponential moving average 200. Okay, so normally this will fetch you the stock which is greater than the EMA, that closing price which is greater than the EMA. So let me go with the futures list. So almost 164 stocks which is greater than the EMA. Maybe some stocks less than the EMA. So if you are going to check less than EMA, so I think we have 22 stocks less than EMA. If you want to check, so for example IGL, I'm talking about 200 daily EMA, so it is less than the price. And we are looking for a greater than, and we used EMA daily close and 200. So this is the condition, and we are looking for the stock must be greater than what percentage we need. So we need to multiply it with 1.05, number 1.05. So this will fetch you the stock which is greater than almost 145 stock, which is more than 5% from that EMA close. Maybe let me check random one, IBUL Housing Finance. That was not in the future, but we will check in equity chart. IBUL Housing Finance. Yeah, you can look at this. It is more than 5%. So from that EMA close, we are calculating what is the current closing price is almost 29 percentage. So how we use this particular thing for our intraday? So there is a famous strategy, 21 EMA period, a reversal, something is already there. So maybe using this pattern or using this scanner, so we can find some good opportunities for that particular trade strategy also. Let me discuss in this video. Don't skip it, and you will be finding or you will be missing some thing if you skip this video. Okay, so we find this one. So this is what a condition. So where we are using the closing price. Someone who are normally use EMA here, so that will not work. So if you are using EMA, that will not work, and it will be showing you some wrong values. So only here the closing price, the daily closing price, and what is the EMA value is 200, and the day close which is greater than 1.05%. So simply I copy this, and must be less than greater than daily close is lesser than. So this kind of code will help you to find out 5 to 10%. Let me write. It's almost 37 stocks within the range of 5 to 10%. So let me randomly check SBIN. So within 5 to 10%. Okay, in the range. So where we are calculating EMA closing price here, and I'm just looking at the current closing price. It is exactly 6%. It is greater than 5% and less than 10%. So that is the condition which I have added here. So if you are using this condition, so maybe I'm just looking for 5 to 7%. Only the stock which closes from EMA 5 to 7% from EMA close, EMA 200 close. Okay, so this will fetch you. You can, I think you can use it whatever the percentage you want, and only the 17 stocks like Bajaj, Finserv, Tata Communications, same SBI also be there in the list. So exactly, so we will look for 6% or exactly 5%. ICICI Bank, Tech Mahindra, and Infosys are those stocks exactly 5% from the 200-day EMA closing price. If you are calculating the values, so EMA closing price here, and that current close is exactly 4.9. Maybe we are selecting a wrong one, but the scanner which provide you the right thing only. Okay, so 5 to 5.5, or you can look for a 5 to 6%. 5 to 6%, so you can just get this one. So the same 5 to 6%. Infosys, ICICI Bank. So these are all the stocks which is 5 to 6% from that closing price of the closing value of EMA 200. Okay, so almost on 990 to 5.14%. So less than 5%. So if you are looking at a 5% only, so you the first line you can use it, and if you are looking for this one, so this will give you the exact percentage which you are going to create it. So this is what a condition which you are going to simply create the EMA distance, or current close is 5% higher from the current day 200 EMA value. So simply we can create the scanner with this particular code. Okay, and one more thing, how we can utilize for an intraday. So for example, 5% above, so but I'm just looking for a 15 minutes time frame. EMA closes greater than 15 minutes EMA in not for a 200 period. So let me check the 200 period. So Adani Port and DLF. So let me go for a DLF in 15 minutes time frame. I'm talking about 15 minutes EMA and 15 minutes closing price. 200 closing price, and currently it is 5.26%. So how we can use this for an intraday trade? Simply we are going to find out 50 period EMA instead of 200. So let me go for a 50 period EMA. So here you need to change 50 period EMA, and 15 minutes close greater than 15 minutes close EMA is around 5%. So what I'm just using for 50 period EMA. So 50 period EMA which I have plotted here. So this is what a value which I mentioned is the 50 period EMA. So if any 5% higher from that level. So let me find out Adani Port and DLF. If you find any reversal opportunity, maybe the chances that can be moving towards that particular EMA period, like here. Maybe this is a closing hours. Let me save the scan to get a backtest result. Okay, so only on 15 minutes time frame. I think why the DLF will give in this. So sorry, after saving that, we don't have any stocks. Very few number of stocks we got it, and the first one is about for a reversal trade opportunities, and Jan second ABFR at 1 o'clock. Okay, so let me go to check ABFORL at the Jan 1st. Okay, sorry, 2nd Jan 1 p.m. Okay, 2nd Jan 1 p.m. Here is the particular candle. So if you are comparing that, I will mark a level with this candle. Okay, so this is a candle. There is a gap between the EMA as well as the current closing price is more than 5% in a intraday time frame. So if you find any reversal opportunity, there is a chances that can be reversed from the level. So let me calculate that exact percentage from that closing price to this closing price is around 5.22 percentage. Okay, if any stock which is happening that such a thing and which forms more than 5%, and after that we find out a spinning top candle here, sorry, shooting star kind of thing which is happening at this top. Maybe we are expecting the reversal from that level, and finally it is giving you the reversal, and after some times later it is moving downside, and it is touches the moving average at this point around 243. From the level is around 244, and but after that it came down, so we don't worried about it. Okay, the strategy which we are using 21 EMA, right? So we have created this is what 5%, or even some stocks only. So there are stocks which came into the scanner again and again. So you need to find out a reversal opportunity at the top 230 also. And here is the stock which is happening June 3rd, Adani and Adani Port. 3rd January, Adani and 3rd January, it's about a 10:15. This is also be the higher close. This is what the thing which I'm reversal expecting from that level, almost to 3,133. It came to nearby the moving average 2955 and Adani port. Only the reversal opportunity which you find out at the top level. So here also be the same. So the candle which is on January 3rd, 10 o'clock and 10:15. So the spinning top candle low is broken, and then it is retracing to that level. So after that it is keep on moving, but there is no 5% gap. So here we find a 5% gap, or maybe here also 5% gap, and 9th Jan. Maybe if it is not 5%, that will be not available. So 5th Jan, 9th Jan, we don't get it. And something here for January Biocon 215. Maybe we can use for bio this kind of thing for January 215. Maybe this point, the top level. Okay, so reversal we can look for it, and mostly the 21 EMA reversals people who are using. So simply you can change for a 21 EMA, and if you are looking at, we didn't get a many stocks, only one, Bajaj Auto on 3rd of January. 3rd January. So we are using 21 EMA. Sometimes 5 EMA also some people who are using 21 EMA. There is a huge 3rd January at 245. So those are 245, and after any reversal, so we can look for. But intraday, so we need to get the stock must be happen in the earlier stage, like in the intraday time frame. So before 2 o'clock. Okay, so this one 21 EMA, or someone who are using 5 EMA also. So this is the code which you can use it. 5 EMA. So you can use it 5 EMA period, and the stock which is more than 2% from 5 EMA in 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, some of the stocks at a 9 Jan 9 Z entertainment around 115 yesterday. Think huge gap down. So we are using 5 period EMA, right? I hope you understand. You can use it any different time frames. So 5 period EMA. The time is 115. here 115 because the EMA value is here and it is more than 5%. So let me check with the 5-minute chart. Here is the point, or we will use a 5 minutes, even better idea. If you so National Aluminum Index Tower 915 and 10 today. With this, almost 5% from this EMA close. After that, some reversal. Not a 5%, it is more than 2%. If you are exactly looking at that, here is the current candle to the closing is near about 2.39%. After, if you find any reversal, so we will find such a good move in a downside from almost 133 and it came down to 127. One more stock which we find out at the same time is about the Indus Tower. This is also be the one. The first candle is more than 2%, and after that some reversal which is happening. So this is what a condition we simply use. Here we need to use the exact closing and a daily time frame or weekly time frame, whatever the thing which you want, you can mention here. So that will help you to find out the stocks. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and keep supporting and subscribing the channel. And if you have any questions and doubt, just ping me on the comment box.